Students, today I am going to start grammar part of first lesson, singular and plural. So, all of you open your textbook, page number 39. So, the grammar part of first lesson. Okay, so in this class, you will learn what are singulars and what are plurals and their examples. Nouns and numbers. So, nouns can be in the singular or plural number. So, nouns. So, what is meant by nouns? Do you know? So, nouns means a name of person, thing or place is called noun, we can say. Examples: book, pen, boy, mother, Shankar, Rohan, okay, Hungund, classroom, Bagalkot, Taj Mahal, garden. So these are the nouns. So these nouns can be in the singular or plural number. For example, boy, boys, girl, girls, class, classes, child, children, person, people. So like this, we can categorized in the singular or plural number. Okay. Next, so singular noun. So what is singular? So example: book, chair, ring, classroom, sister, girl, boy, bike, child, mobile, table, hen, ball, etc. So these nouns are in the singular form. So what is singular noun? The noun that means one person. So listen carefully here. The noun that means one person, one place or one thing is said to be in the singular number. For example, book. So when you look or when you hold a book, we can say book, not books. Okay. Chair. So when you look at the chair, only one chair, we can say chair. Okay. Next, classroom. Sister. If you have one sister, so what do we say? I have one sister or I have a sister. Okay. Next, girl. Suppose there is a girl in the classroom. So we can say one girl. So boy, bike, child, mobile. So if you have one mobile, so what do you say? I have a mobile. Okay. You don't say I have mobiles when you have one mobile. Next, table. There is a table. A table. So a is it denotes one. Next, hen, ball, okay, etc. So these nouns are in singular and these nouns denoting or referring to just one person or one thing. Okay, not more than it. Okay. Let us see more examples. See here. How many flowers? Can you see here? So one flower. So we say it is a flower. Okay. What do we say? It is a flower or flower. Next, how many birds can you say? So you can see only one bird. Okay. So we say it is a bird. It is a bird. Okay. Next, so what is this? This is a bottle. Okay, it is a bottle. So how many bottles can you see in this picture? So one bottle. It is a bottle. So we can't say one flowers, one birds, one bottles. Okay, when we refer to one person or one thing, we say flower, bird, bottle, boy, girl. Okay, like this. Now let me switch on the next slide. Now let us what is plural. Now let us learn what is plural. So before that, before this you have learned. So what is singular and their examples. So now what is plural? The noun that means more than one person, okay, place or thing is said to be in the plural number. So students, the nouns books, tables, watches, mobiles, pens, shirts, chairs, classrooms, schools, teachers, boys, girls, cousins, so etc. So these nouns denoting more than one or more than two persons or things. Did you understand? So the noun that means more than one person or more than one place or more than one thing is to be said in the plural number. For example, you have two books. Okay, how many books do you have? Two books. So can you say I have two book? No, we can't say. We can say I have two books. Books, not book. Okay, in the plural form. So we add yes after the book. So it becomes plural number. Did you understand? Huh? Next, watches. If you see two watches, so what do you say? You say watches. Okay, we add yes letter after the word watch. So when you add yes after the watch, it becomes watches. So it denotes or it refers there are two things, there are two watches. Okay, same thing, mobiles, pens, shirts, chairs, classrooms, schools, teachers, boys, okay, girls, pens, blackboards, so cousins. So these nouns denoting more than one or more than two persons or things or places. So we add yes after the noun to make the plural number. Okay, let's see more examples here. See, there are many flowers here. Correct, no? So we say many flowers. These are many flowers. See, students, you are looking. So you are seeing more than one flower. So there are many flowers are there. So here we must add yes letter after the word or after the noun flower. So it becomes flowers. So this flowers is there, no? It denotes or refers many flowers. Okay, there are many flowers. We don't say flower. There are many flower. We say there are or these are many flowers. Did you understand? Okay. The next picture. So you can see here three birds. Correct? No, not one bird. Okay. Many birds. So how many are there? Three birds are there. So the more than one birds are there here. Okay. We say these are birds. See here. Can you observe carefully here? So here added yes after the noun bird. So it becomes birds. So when it becomes birds, it tells us that this is plural number. Okay. So these are birds. Okay. When we see more than one bird, we say these are birds. So it is in the plural form. Next, many bottles. You can see here many bottles. So we say these are bottles. Okay. What do we say? What do we say? These are bottles, not bottle. Okay, why? Because the bottles are more than one here. So we say bottles. So we add S form after the noun bottle. So when we add S form after the bottle, it becomes bottles. So it tells us it is in the plural form. So have you understood? Now, students, have you opened the page number 39? Okay. Let us see more examples about it. So girl. So how many girls can you see in this picture? So there is only one girl. So we say girl. So this girl, it is in the singular form. Okay. It denotes only one person. Okay. We say girl. So when we see more than one girls, okay, we say girls. So we add here S form after the noun girl. So it becomes girls. So we are seeing here three girls, correct? No. So we say girls. Girl is in singular, girls are in plural. Did you understand? So in the next picture, ball, B-A-L-L, ball. So it denotes only one thing. So there is only one ball. So it is in the singular number. So ball is in the singular number. Because why means it denotes only one thing. Correct? No, there is only one ball. No, as you looking at here. Okay. So in the plural form, we can see here many balls. So how many balls are there here? So there are more than one balls are there here. So we say balls, not ball. So we add S form after the noun ball. So it becomes balls. Okay. So this balls, it is in the plural form. Next. Can you identify this picture? So what is this? This is a pen. A pen, not pens. Okay. How many pens are there here? Only one pen. So we say pen. Okay. We don't say pens. Okay. Because only one pen is there here. So we say pen. So it is in the singular number. Next. In the plural form. So how many pens are you looking here? We are looking here 4 pens. There are 4 pens. It means there are more than one pens are there. So we say pens, not pen. Why means there are more than one pens are there here. So we say pens. So we added here S form after the noun pen. So it becomes pens. So it is in the pens are in the plural form. Okay. Let me switch on the next page. Okay, now have you opened your textbook, page number 39? Okay, grammar part, how many? So this is grammar part, singular and plural. So look at these pictures and read. So how many cats are you looking here? Only one cat. So we say one cat. We don't say one cats or cats. Next, how many trees are you looking here? One tree. We don't say one trees or trees. Okay. Next. So, one cat and one tree. So, these are in the singular form. Have you understood? Next, 4 cats. So, there are many cats here. So, we say 4 cats. Or we can say they are or those are cats. Those are cats. Next, here we can see here more trees here. So we say 3 trees or trees. Those are trees. So these 4 cats and trees or cats and trees, these 2 are in the plural form. Okay, now hold a pencil and ready to match the picture correctly with the words. So there are 6 pictures and 6 words are given in this picture. Okay, match the pictures correctly with the words. Okay, we can see here pens. This is a book. It is a dog. It is a cow. They are boys. These are dolls. Okay, the first one, book. So where is the book here? So here. So from here to here, match the picture to word. Okay, or word to picture. So how many books can you see here? Only one book, correct? No. So we say book. Next, dolls. DOLLS. So this word is in the plural form. I think there are many dolls here. So dolls. Match from here to here. Okay, there are two dolls no here. So we say dolls. Next, COW. 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 Where is the cow? So here. Okay. So how many cows are you looking in this picture? Only one cow. Okay. We say cow, not cows. So cow. So this cow is in the singular form. Next, PENS. PENS. We say pens. So it is in the plural form. So where are the pens? See here. So there are 3 pens here. Okay. Match from word pens to the picture pens. Okay. The next fourth one, dog. 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 So where is the picture dog? Yes, your left side of the down. So dog. How many dogs are you looking here? So you are looking only one dog. So it is in the singular form. Okay. The last one, BOYS. 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 So where are the boys? Yes, here. So there are 3 boys here. So it shows or it denotes in the plural form. So have you understood? Okay. So book, dolls, cow, pens, dog and boys. So have you matched it correctly? Okay students. Now open your page number 40. So you are looking here, there are many pictures. So tick the correct words. So look at the pictures and think, and whether they are in the plural form or singular form. Think and tick the correct picture. Okay. So here. So what are these? These are the bottles. Okay. How many bottles are there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 bottles are there. So here you can see, you are looking here, there are 3 bottles. So 3 bottles. Okay. So it is in the which form? This is in the plural form. So we say bottles. Here tick the right mark. Next, second one. What is this? It is a fox. Okay, have you looked, have you seen the fox? Okay, fox. So how many fox are you looking here? You are looking only one fox. Okay. So which is the correct one? This FOX, fox. Here tick the right mark. Not foxes. So if you are looking more than one foxes, you can tick the correct this word, not this one. Okay. Now there is only one fox is there. So we say fox. Okay. The next one. What are these? These are the glasses. Okay, not glass. These are the glasses. Okay, how many glasses are you looking here? There are 3 glasses. So it is in the plural form. So tick the right mark here. Glasses. Okay. When we see a more than one person or more than one thing or more than one places, so it is said to be in the plural form. Correct, no? Next picture. So it is a ball. Correct, no? So how many balls can you look here? So there is only one ball. So we say ball. So tick the right mark here. Next one. So it is a flag. Correct, no? So how many flags are you looking here? You are looking only one flag. So it is in the singular form. So F-L-A-G, flag. Tick the right mark here. Next, the last one. It is a fruit. So what does it? These are the tomatoes. What are these? These are the tomatoes. Correct, no? So how many tomatoes are there here? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 tomatoes are there. So it is in the plural form. So tick the correct mark here. Tomatoes. We say tomatoes. Okay. So students, today you have learned what is singular and what are the plural and their examples. Correct, no? So I hope you have all have understood the topic singular and plural. Okay, thank you.